Okay, so let's look at one more tool that you can use to build Autodesk Inventor parts with. I'm going to switch over to Inventor. I've already modeled a rectangular plate, and I think the one you have to model on your Lego plate is 6 inches by 4 inches. And then you're going to go ahead and do a sketch to create the first circle and extrude the first little Lego peg there on the part. Now, in order to not have to do this 24 times, we're going to use what we call the pattern command. And up here under pattern, you do have different patterns. You have basically the two we use is rectangular or circular pattern. You will also be using the circular pattern for some of your other items, which you've already seen before when we did the Automoblocks car. So let's go to the rectangular pattern here. There are three buttons that you really have to pay attention to. First of all, it starts out you have to pick the feature that you want to copy. So the feature I want to copy is the peg that I've already created. Then under which I got to tell it which is direction 1. So I click on the big arrow under direction 1, and I either click on the bottom of the plate or I click on the side edge of the plate. So I'm going to click on the bottom edge of the plate. That's going to become direction 1. And notice it's actually going in the correct direction. So I simply need to tell it how many copies in that direction. I'm going to put 6. And you'll notice it makes 6 of the pegs. Then I'm going to click on direction 2. I'm going to click on the other axis over here. Now notice when I do that, by the way I drew this, the direction 2 is actually going down away from the part, which is what I don't want. So if you ever have an axis that's going the wrong direction, you can click on the flip button and it'll flip that row back on top. And I already have 2 here, but I need to make that 4 along the column. And now I have a 6x4 grid pattern created by the rectangular pattern. And when I click OK, it makes a copy of that one peg and spreads it throughout the whole board. So good luck on your rectangular patterns.